Gauteng. Motsoaledi led a debate in the National Assembly on the Life Esidimeni tragedy. Members of Parliament have called for criminal charges against those responsible.
A moment of madness. That's how Minister Motsoaledi described the acts of the Gauteng Health Department that led to the deaths of so many vulnerable people. He says it should never have occurred, especially since it was all about money. Motsoaledi apologized on behalf of government to the families of those who died and promised an inquest into the deaths of their loved ones.
An inquest is headed by a magistrate. Each and every death is going to be accounted for. How it occurred, who will have done what.
Opposition parties want more. Many called for criminal charges against those responsible.
And how would you suggest we, as well as you, live as a nation with this tragedy? For today, those who died bear on our conscience, and we stand before you, the dead, in your silence, with your families and relatives in shame. I thank you.
We need to stop this road. We need to have all those responsible behind bars. We need, Speaker, to have those NGOs, the Gauteng department officials, and the politicians who instructed them to be arrested.
Such negligence and culpability is tantamount to murder. And government, through its delegation of responsibility to ill-suited and ill-equipped entities, is a party to this horrific crime.
All those that are responsible, members of the provincial legislature, part of the health committee in the province, the NGOs, those officials, the MEC, must all be held accountable. And whoever is responsible must be charged criminally, and civil claims instituted against those to benefit those next of kin of those people that have passed.
COPE says to the families and the relatives of the deceased, you deserve more than an apology, and not only an apology, but action.
Agang SA referred to the deaths as a tragedy Adolf Hitler himself would have been proud of.
This was indeed a Nazi-like camp, characterized by sorrowful circumstances. Even Adolf Hitler would have given Premier a pat at the back.
People dying simply because of neglect clearly reflects that the said NGOs did not know what they were doing and they were in it for the money. This is criminal.
It's not clear yet when the inquests into the more than 100 deaths will start. Lukhanyo Khalada, SABC News, Parliament.